guys, it's Miss Julia today from the Belding Library, and this is our virtual baking class. Today we are going to be learning how to make strawberry yogurt popsicles. So first you're going to need some sort of popsicle mold, or you could just use like a Dixie cup with popsicle sticks and put them in the freezer. But these are really inexpensive. I believe I got it at the Dollar Tree for $1. So really fun, makes it a little bit easier, but either way. You're also going to need 2 cups of yogurt. I have vanilla yogurt here. You can have plain or Greek yogurt. If you need a dairy-free option, you could get something like that. And then I chose to have 2 cups of cut strawberries. You can choose any fruit you like. You can do raspberries, blueberries, I mean the list goes on. And I am going to be using honey as my sweetener. You could also do sugar or whatever your sweetener choice is. So first of all, you're going to take your yogurt and pour it into a bowl. And I'm going to scrape all of it out. This is perfect for a summer's day. All right. And then you take your strawberries, and you want them cut into a nice diced up size, about 1/4 inch, so they can fit into your mold. It said 1 to 2 cups of fruit. I chose to do 2 just because I really like more fruit, but you can do whatever you want. So kind of just fold it in nicely. I will show you closer in a moment. If you want some more like strawberry flavor or more like a swirl effect, I would encourage you to kind of mash a few strawberries alongside the wall of your bowl. Basically right now it's just a really good looking giant bowl of yogurt with strawberries. Alright, and then, by the way, did I mention how easy this is? Because it's easy. Then you take this, and it says 2 tablespoons. I'm going to eyeball it, but you can just use whatever you want. There's 1, there's 2. Okay, then you stir that in. And they say to taste test it after you get it all stirred in, because if you want to add more sweetener, you can. You could even add some chocolate syrup if you want, maybe like strawberry chocolate. Alright, now we're just gonna give it a little taste. Tastes pretty good. Gonna mash a few more strawberries along my side. And like when you freeze fruit, it kind of gets hard, so that's why you want to have your strawberries definitely smaller, so they're a little bit more manageable in your popsicle. All right, so then you take your molds, take the lids off, and you carefully pour them in. Oops, just got it on my table. It's all right. Maybe this would be easier. Yeah, it's definitely easier. So you want to fill them up almost to the top. The recipe did not say how many popsicles would make, so I'm thinking from what I'm seeing I could have halved this. So if you were just making 4 popsicles, just half my recipe, and you should be good to go. But I'll just put it in the fridge and I'll make another batch later on. Alright. The best part about this is it's, first of all, obviously very easy, inexpensive. Anyone can do it, and you can adjust it to whatever your needs. So if you can't have dairy, you can adjust that accordingly. I definitely am making a mess, so try and clean up around your popsicle mold so it'll be easier to take them out after they're frozen. Okay, so then you take your little lids and you pop them on and you put them in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours minimum, depends on your freezer temperature, so you might need to do a little more. And then when they are ready, I will show you a hack on how to remove them. So here are your popsicles. They look pretty good. And I do have about half left, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge for after these are done, and I'll make another batch and you can enjoy them again. So, all right, here is what they look like now. And we're gonna put them in the freezer and see how they taste. All right guys, so it's been about 2 hours now. Here's your little tip. When you take it out of the freezer, rinse your container in warm water and then slowly pull your popsicle out. And here you have it. You have your strawberry yogurt smoothie popsicle. And you just lick it and enjoy. Hope you guys have a great time cooling off the summer heat. Enjoy!